G'day, here's a parcel of small pea nobbies from Lightning Ridge, Black Opal country. The material still got a bit of clay mixed in with it, but we've taken that into account. It's just not worth it to us to sort it through anymore. And with the tumbling, if we keep tumbling it, what'll happen is the opal will start to wear away before the clay does, because some of it's quite hard. I'll zoom in so you get a better look. Okay, I've zoomed in, rules in millimetres, material's been wetted. As you can see, there's a variety of colours, some of it's quite bright. There's pieces like that in there that are just clay, unfortunately, but like I said, it's not worth our while to sort through it. Just get this in. One of the larger pieces there, a nice bright bar through it. Looks like a bit of fossil. Could almost be a bit of shell, that, with the hollow the way it is, the shape. Ring around to where the clamshell goes together. There's no guarantee on that though. Lots of little bits of crystal. A lot of small stones possibly. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.